Today, we're diving into something really interesting. We're going to build a keylogger that integrates with a Telegram bot. So let's get started. We're using this GitHub page for the project. I'll drop the link in the description. So first, we'll need to install a few Python libraries. So open your PowerShell, copy the first command, and run it. Then also copy the second command and run it. After that, let's set up our Telegram bot. Open this link in a new tab. Now click Open. This will launch Telegram and take you directly to the official BotFather account. After that, head back to the GitHub page and follow the instructions to set up your Telegram bot. You can name your bot whatever you want. Just remember, the username has to end with _bot. Alright, we've got our bot and the API key. Now let's find the bot's user ID. To find your chat ID, copy this link and open it in a new tab. Now go back to your Telegram, copy the API key, and paste it here. Now again, go back to your Telegram, open your bot, click the Start button to activate the bot. After that, refresh the website. You'll now see an output like this, and here's your chat ID. Now that our Telegram bot is ready, let's set up our Python program. You can grab the whole program as a zip file from here. Once you've downloaded the program, just open the zip file and extract it wherever you like. After that, open the extracted folder and launch the Python file inside it. Now, grab your API key and paste it here. After that, go back to the website with your bot's information. Copy the ID. And paste it here. Now, by default, the keylogger captures keystrokes and sends them every 30 minutes, but you can adjust the timing as needed. I set it to 10 seconds, so you can see that it's working perfectly. Okay, now you can run the program either by clicking the Run button or by using the terminal. Now the program is running. I'm just typing some random keys to test if it captures them. Alright, you can see the program says the message was sent. So let's open the bot and check if it's true. Boom! There's the keystrokes I typed earlier. If the relay time is too short, it might skip a few keystrokes while sending them. So always set a longer relay time for the program. Our program is working fine. Let's convert it into an executable now. Go to the folder where you extracted your Python file. Open PowerShell in this directory. Then go back to the GitHub page. Copy this command. Paste it and press Enter. After the process is complete, it will create an executable file. Okay, this is our keylogger. Now I'm going to scan it using Windows Defender to see if it gets detected as a virus. As you can see, our keylogger is clean and clear. Let's run the keylogger one more time to make sure it's working fine. Now, our program is running in the background. Let's type something and see if our keylogger can capture and send it. As you can see, it's working fine. It's not the program running in the editor. It's the keylogger doing its job. You can check if it's running in the background by using Task Manager. Look for a program named Keylogger. That's where you'll see it running. This is strictly for educational use. Misusing it to steal information is illegal, and I won't be responsible if you get caught. If you want to close the program, just right-click on it and click End Task. After closing the program, the keylogger is no longer capturing keystrokes. So that's how I made a keylogger. If you know any other ways, feel free to share them in the comments. And if you get stuck at any step, just comment below. I'll help you out. Alright, see you in the next video. Goodbye.